Right, welcome back to the channel, welcome back to the vlog. I'm super dirty. We are spray painting my calipers on my Nissan 370Z. I'm probably going to do it in a way which most people don't like, so apologies for that. But basically, we're going to be matching it up with these. So I did these ages ago. I'm really happy with how they turned out. I've done all the masking, as you can probably tell. So I've done all the masking. I've scored it, so I've keyed the surface. I've only taken the clear coat and then a little bit of the layers off of the sort of base coat, and then realistically the rest of it was all about masking the car up for overspray. Now I know a lot of people don't like spray painting calipers when they're on the car, they frown upon it, all this good stuff, I know, but I've done it once before. That's how I like to do it. I mean, I prefer to actually pay someone, but no one around me wants to do it. You can pay them whatever money you want in the world and they won't do it. So that's what we're doing today. I've got decals, which I have on the front, the Fairlady Z, which are then going to go on the rears as well. And that's all we're doing today, basically. So a little bit of a hint, or I guess like a bit of a tip, really, on if you ever want to do this at home. Basically, bin bags. Get bin bags, garbage bags, all that kind of stuff. Cut a hole in it, and then you can stretch it over the caliper and then hook it in and under. It's all about prep work, so it's all about masking it up as best as possible, literally, you know, masking everything up you possibly can, and just making sure that everything is covered, that you don't want to get overspray on. I think there's maybe like a control arm or something like that, which I don't really care about too much, but all in all, that's how you do it, really. So I'm going to start laying some coats down now. I've done this side and the other side. I'm just going to start spraying this red. Again, for anyone that wants to know, this stuff, XHT, extremely high temperature paint, 650 degrees. It's actually for, I mean, it's literally for manifolds and things like that. So it's really, really high temp. It's for like engine blocks. So this stuff will last really, really good. And this red is great. This red comes out like this. So really nice red. And again, you know, this job's not terrible. I quite like this job. You know, it's not perfect, I get it, but you know, that's how I do it anyway. So I like the red. We're going to do this on the rears, just sort of finishing touches on the Z. So let's get into it. Okay, so idea is to lay down really, really thin base coat. You're going to start to build it up like layer by layer, layer by layer. So obviously looks patchy as hell. Doesn't look good, but it really will. And this colour starts to really, really pop. Like I said, it's kind of tried and tested on the front. I think the front's come out really, really well. So happy to do it again over here. Okay, so second coat is on, and as you can tell, it's starting to get a little bit more like even coverage, I guess would be the word. Again, pretty happy with the masking. It's all about prep work. So, I mean, it looks super dumb. The whole car looks dumb as shit. But it's just all about prep work. So again, this colour's really interesting. It starts to dull down, and then it really starts to pop. And really, really important as well is get the XHT clear coat, the lacquer. But yeah, so obviously the idea is like do one side, layer coat down, go do the other side, layer coat down, wait a few minutes and then repeat. And that's all I'll be doing today. It won't take very long actually, because it's red hot today. So it won't take long, which is, you know, ideal weather for it, but it does mean I'm kind of burning into a crisp. But I'll lay another coat down, I'm going to show you, and then we'll kind of just talk through it really. So this is 3 coats, and again, coverage, just building it up step by step, bit by bit, bit by bit, and it starts to get this really, really nice colour. Now again, like I said, this colour, this red, it starts to pop more and more over time. So this is, yeah, coming along really well actually. I'm quite happy with this. Overspray, none really. In fact, I mean, there's none on the car, which is great. Obviously, the wind's like if today. It's so. But obviously, you know, keep up with the masking, keep pushing it back and things like this, ensuring that it doesn't touch it and stuff like that. But really, like, it's important, just dust coats, light dust coats. Make sure it's touch dry before you go again. Dust coats. I mean, I'm just doing 2. This I rate as basically for 2 calipers, and I'm just going to do coat by coat, bit by bit until it's all done. Because why not? Like I've got all of this, so I might as well use it all. Because I've done the fronts, don't need to ever do them again. They're all good. So yeah, I'm going to show you the finished product when I've laid all the coats down. Tell you how many coats I did, because this is coat number 3. And then we're going to wait for it to dry properly before I put the decals on, and then we do clear coat. So yeah, I'll pop back and tell you how many coats we've done.
I'm over here now.
Hello.
Oh right, we were not recording the first time.
No mate.
All right. Hi.
This is Nick, everyone.
Yeah.
The other guy on Car Nonsense.
Yeah, I'm the musty one.
What are we doing? What? So I did say I was going to
Cover your car in bin bags.
do. We done that? Well, I did that. Yeah. So Nick's just popped out to have a look, basically. What's the latest on the GTR?
Oh, it's nothing. Absolutely nothing.
No, there is latest. You bought more bits.
Oh, I bought the rest of the Extreme exhaust, which
Yeah.
pretty much no one has, and I don't think there's any videos on YouTube of a full Extreme exhaust on a 32.
What, the sound?
Yeah, the sound.
That'd be
So
good. We'll do some sound videos
do
then.
some sound videos. Awesome.
Yes.
The titanium strut brace that you saw in the first video.
I don't think we saw that one actually.
Bob put it on the engine.
But was it in the video?
Yeah.
Was it?
Yeah. You
Oh.
were filming it when you were filming the engine.
Oh.
But that's mine now. What else I bought? Oh. Genuine carbon fibre. It's not a duck wing. I can't remember what they're called. Fuji
It's
exhaust.
like a cat. It's like a
Fuji
exhaust.
Yeah, not.
It's like a wing
Loads.
extender, isn't it?
Yeah, it's a wing extender.
Yeah, I've seen that. I think that looks really cool because
Yeah.
I've given you the carbon fibre bug, haven't I?
Yes. Yeah, it's really cool. And sorry, a gear knob that was mega expensive.
Yeah, but it looks better than the butt plug one.
Oh, the butt plug really does look like
It was
a butt
awful.
plug, doesn't
It was awful. So yeah, so the GTR's coming together nicely, and
Yeah.
so's
It's
the.
really slow. It's probably going to be another month before we see it. Which is
Ugh.
coming. I know.
But will you get to drive? We'll drive it a little bit.
No, not at all. Not until it's had the tune.
Oh,
Because
for fuck's sake!
I know, it's rubbish.
Don't worry, guys. Don't get excited.
I own it. It's there, and we will have it. It's just
Yeah,
I don't
yeah.
want to blow a like 50 grand engine.
Yeah. Pussy.
I'm really it's just scary.
So yeah, GTR's coming along nicely, and so are the brake calipers. This is 5 coats now. We're going to do 1 more and see what we've got left and
You know what this looks like?
get what.
Seen that at Dexter.
It,
You when he completely
does, doesn't it?
plastics the room up before he
Yeah.
murders someone, and there's the murder right in the middle there.
well, it's red.
Yeah, exactly.
So,
That's what I mean.
Murdered out. So yeah, I'll catch up with you in a little bit. Right, so it's basically done now, actually. So this was. Let me take my glasses off so I can actually see. Whoa, this was a total of 6 coats. I've chucked the decals on, and now I'm clear coating, lacquering over the top. So pretty easy, 6 coats, pretty decent, not too bad. I really like the colour. You can tell, let me just zoom in again, you can tell there's a little bit of sort of orange peel on there. You're not going to tell that when, you know, the wheels are on. It's not ideal. Would I prefer not to have orange peel? Yes. But my clear coating, I don't know, whenever I put clear coat on, it begins to orange peel, which is really irritating. So did this side, the other side is exactly the same. I'm just going to finish up clear coat, put the wheels back on, and it's done. One thing I would say is obviously be careful of wind, because obviously it's kind of blowing the bags around and stuff like that. And yeah, the E-Tech? The E-Tech paint that I kind of showed, I'll leave a link down below. I really recommend it. I think it's really, really good stuff. Once it's 100% dry, I normally leave it for 24 hours. I'll chuck the wheels back on, and then I'll go for a really hard drive and brake quite hard to get the calipers really, really, really hot to cure it. And that's kind of what they recommend. They recommend doing it with like an external temperature thing, like temperature thing, heater. But there you go. That's how to do your brake calipers. I love the colour. I think it pops. I think it's a really, really cool colour. And I think it's cool to kind of throw it back to the old school with the Fair Lady Z. So there you go. Hope you enjoyed it. Like, comment, subscribe. Take care.